Start your computations.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another studio vlog. As you can probably tell by the medieval architecture and whimsical little streets, I'm no longer in Belfast. 2 weeks ago I decided to move out to the French countryside, and I'm sure you're probably wondering why this sudden move and change in lifestyle. Well, I was actually supposed to come here with a boyfriend, but long story short, that didn't work out. But it turned out to be the best thing ever because I've come here with my sister instead. My sister is also an artist. She just graduated there in the summer, so it was kind of the perfect opportunity for both of us to share a studio together, make art, and work on our online businesses. So our new little studio is located in a tiny little village in the southwest of France, in this little building here in the loft room upstairs. Outside of the building there's the most beautiful grapevine, absolutely flooded in grapes. More grapes than I know what to do with. The outside might look pretty cute, but the inside is a different story altogether. So this attic room has not been used in maybe close to 10 years, so it's absolutely covered in dust, debris, and it's absolutely covered in spider webs. It's pretty disgusting. As you can see, this room was previously used as a bedroom, so it's filled with old furniture, beds, chairs, broken chests of drawers, even old clothes and videos and stuff like that. So in today's video, we're going to prep this room to be turned into a studio. We're going to clean it up, we're going to take all of this furniture out and start turning this room into something a little bit nicer. Get one of these.
Standing over in the night.
welcome to the new studio. It's very echoey in here, sorry about that. Finally just about brushed it up. It's looking as clean as it's looked in years. There's still some new spiders and a few cobwebs to get, but it is definitely improving, so that's good. Don't really have a plan for the studio yet. As I probably mentioned already, me and my sister are going to be sharing this studio space, so we've still both to get desks, shelving and stuff like that. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks you'll see some gradual improvements happening. But in the meantime, I have some boxes to open, so I thought I would do a little kind of unboxing in my new studio. So I have 3 boxes to open because when I came here I couldn't really bring very many of my materials, so I had to order some new stuff, and one of these boxes is definitely something boring, but we'll get to that. I don't know which one it is because I haven't opened these yet, so let's open them. If I can open them. Ooh, okay. So I have a few small things in this one. The first thing that I got is some more fabric paint because I've been painting tote bags recently, and I quite like to use white fabric paint as a base and then add more pigmented paint to that to get like pastel pinks and greens and stuff. So I needed some more white fabric paint. Haven't tried the Pebo one before, but we'll give it a go. But this is what I'm really most excited about, and it is more clay. So it's actually the Arteza clay, polymer clay. I've never used the Arteza oven baked clay before, but there are 42 colors in here, so I'm excited to give those a go because I've usually, if you've seen any of my previous videos of making clay pins and stuff, I usually use white clay and then I paint it and then I resin it. So I'm kind of hoping to just use pre-colored clay, make it in the color that I want to make it, bake it, and then it's done. So give that a go. And I really want to open it to see what the colors look like. Ooh. Oh wow. There's lots of little tiny colors in this, and the set even comes with some tools as well, which is nice. I don't have really any modeling tools, so excited to try out all of these colors and make some stuff and try out these tools. So yeah, I'll let you know what the Arteza clay is like, if it's any better than the Sculpey clay. We'll see. Right, I remember what's in this one. My sister ordered a couple more sketchbooks. We actually both use the same sketchbook, so we've got 2 of them. I'll link them below. I actually use mine for my, I like to call it a dump book. So if you saw my how to get over artist block video, I talked about the kind of books that I like to write in. And I always order these ones because they're just like plain paper. I don't like lined paper or dotted paper, so they're kind of good as a sort of cheap sketchbook, but really nice hardcover journal if you like that sort of thing as well. And these are the boring things. Mattress sheet, mattress protector, wow. So I can't remember what's in the last one. So we'll find out together. Oh, yes. I did not think this was arriving today. Okay, great, because I bought it on eBay, but that's weird. I bought this on eBay, but it came via Amazon. Okay. So I bought a Dremel, and I'm so excited about it. So basically, a Dremel is kind of like a hand, like a small hand drill or sander. It has a lot of different attachments, so it could be a small drill, like a 2mm drill. It could be, it has like little sanding attachments to it and stuff. So this is obviously, I'm going to hopefully make jewelry with this clay, and when I want to sand the edges and drill holes in it to make it into jewelry, I can use this tool. And I've been using my dad's one back home, but now I'm obviously in France for a little bit and I couldn't bring it because it's a heavy tool. So very excited about that. I'm going to open it right now because I want to look at it. Nice.
It looks like this. It's like a little hand tool. You can attach different parts to the top. It comes with a box of different attachments, buffers, sanders, drill bits, the like. And the reason I went for this one was because it came with this. Get out. It came with this extension tool, so I can actually put this on the front, and then if I want to sand smaller items, there's kind of like this pen attachment, so you can attach the drill bits and stuff to this end and just work away, sand, kind of like a small, nice to hold pen tool. So very excited to start making things, and I'll hopefully be updating my shop soon with new things that I'm making. So if you want to see more like up-to-date updates of being in France in my life and what I'm making and stuff like that, you should follow me on Instagram, because there's a lot more sort of daily updates and work in progress updates over there. So that's all for my little unboxing here. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time. I'm very happy with all of these things that came today, and talk to you later. I got to tidy up.
So I was very excited to start using this Arteza polymer clay, and I've been dying to make something spooky for Halloween. So I'm going to show you in this next clip how I made little ghost earrings using black clay and just some simple white clay. These were super fun to make, and they'll be available in my shop tonight if you want to check that out. I also made some really nice little pumpkin patch inspired earrings, which I don't have a clip of, but I will show you at the end. I absolutely loved how they turned out, but I didn't film it because it was really stormy and the light was just super dark and it was really noisy, so the footage would have been absolutely terrible, but you'll get to see how those turned out in the final clips. And here are the finished earrings. I decided to make some stars as well with the ghosts, and I thought they turned out really cute. And here are the pumpkin patch ones that I'd spoke about earlier. I just simply used orange clay and green clay, and all of these will be available in my shop tonight, so feel free to give that a little nose if you want. All the links for the shop and my Instagram and stuff will be below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!